Done. Hey, what are you doing with my donuts? That's my snack. Oh, so you said I was eating your donut. Oh, so you're trying to put me in the jail again? Well, not today because I broke the jail. Okay, first of all, learn your English. It's broke, not broke. And we're not British. Stop yapping about everything, you deaf police. Fine, you want me. 2 minutes later. Aw, man, I ate the donuts already. Oh, I know. I am going to sneak in the police secret stash and then take all his donuts. He will never know. After Furious Cat stole all the donuts. No! My donut! How did you know where the donuts were? You are so dumb at hiding stuff, so I found where you were hiding it. Great, now I need to call my boss to get more donuts. Man, that police officer is so annoying. I really want to punch his face. I am going to hunt him down.